Hello everyone, welcome back to Kabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkoor Ali. In this video, I'll show you some simple and legal ways to track your old W-2. Even if your former employer is out of business or you have lost the original, I will walk you through all steps, including how to contact your past employer using different methods. We will show you 4 methods to get a duplicate copy of your old W-2 form. To explain these methods step by step, we have brought you to this website called Kabbage Loan Guide. This website has an article that explains how to find tax liabilities on the W-2 form. When we scroll down in this article, it shows how to get a copy of your recent W-2 form. We've also created a separate video on that topic, and you'll find the link in the description. If we scroll down a bit more in the same article, you will find 4 step-by-step methods to get a copy of your old W-2 form. So let's understand each of these 4 methods in detail. Here, it explains the process of getting a copy of the old W-2 form is almost the same as getting a copy of the new W-2 form. We have given some steps below. You can get a copy of your old W-2 form by following those steps. After that, it explains all 4 methods one by one. The first method is contact your former employer. Employers are required to keep W-2 records for at least 4 years. Even if you don't work there anymore, just call or email their HR and request a copy. Method 2. IRS transcript for past years. If your employer can't help, go to irs.gov and request a wage and income transcript. This shows all W-2 income reported to the IRS. It's usually available for up to 10 years. Method 3. File IRS Form 4506T. If you need the actual W-2 copy, not just the transcript, you'll need to file Form 4506T and check Box 8. It might take a few weeks, but the IRS will mail you a copy. Method 4. Check with your tax preparer. If a professional filed your taxes in the past, they might still have your W-2s saved. Give them a quick call. So these are the 4 methods you can use to get a copy of your old W-2 form, no matter how old it is.